Yes, my people agree on Abra Moses with this. I got small message to pass give my coastal region brothers. We today we dey complain say our region no good, the country no good. We dey complain bitterly say things wey be say dey happen for the country no supposed to dey happen. If things dey happen for our own time like this, God of His death don hold us. Wetin our children wan pass through, we no dey reason that one. We no dey think about the suffer wey be say our children go suffer if we don pass that. If I wan feel hard like this, how our own children, the generation wey be say dem dey front, how their own wan be? Everywhere scatter for the nation. Everywhere scatter for our region. No road, no school, no water, nothing, no hospital. Nothing wey be say you fit a boast come and say yes, now this thing I dey our region. We dey complain now. We dey complain bitterly. But we no dey think about our children. I dey let you dey know more wake up more support Nnamdi Kanu. May we build future for our children. In case we go our children, their own future go dey secure. In case we go, their own children future, e go still dey secure. Na only we fit do am, nobody fit do am. If we no do am for them, the one wey be say they go pass through, go pass the one wey be say we pass through. If we ask our parents very well, the way where the country be now, no be day wey be say the day like we. That's to let you know say the country dey worst every day. Nothing good fit come out for the country. I dey call my brother for coastal region. Rise up and support Nnamdi Kanu. Rise up and support Nnamdi Kanu. Na only Biafra na be the only hope wey be say we get. Na only Biafra na be the gift wey be say we fit give our next generation. Even though we give them money, we give them everything, we give them education, the country fit turn them upside down. Fulani people, they fit turn them upside down one day. But if we give them a nation, nobody fit enter our nation called destroy us. I dey call my coastal region brothers. Let's unite. Let's come with one voice. More build a better future for our children. They deserve to live a better life. They deserve to live a better life. They deserve to go good school. They deserve to visit the best hospital. They deserve to live in a good environment, good road, free water. Even though not free, but they deserve to drink good water. The environment deserves to be clean. Why? Because we get what it be say, we fit to make our area, our environment dey like Europe, dey like any place for the world where you dey admire today. But because we no come together, because they don't destroy us, after they create the country Nigeria, they begin start to divide us, make us they hate each other for no reason. And that hatred, and I will still carry the waka. I call on my coastal region brothers. Let's unite. More go back to our root. More build our society. More build our nation. When be say God will bless us before. When be say white men, they can't destroy. More go back to that nation. Wey be say that they dread that time. Now only me and you feel runner. Nobody feel runner. So I dey call my coastal region brother. Let's think about our children. They no deserve to live the kind of life wey be say we dey live. They no deserve to dey complain. They deserve to live a better life. And only me and you feel runner. So more come together, more support Nnamdi Kanu. More come together, more support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now the small message when I got to pass, give my coastal region brother be this. Don't let anybody deceive you. You are not in Nigeria. That's why you see your environment not no level. You go school finish no level. Why? Because they don't say you are not in Nigeria. I wait till I tell you be this one. I greet my brothers. One love, my people.